Alright, so we're going to briefly cover ProRAE Guardian. This program communicates with all of our recently purchased RAE systems equipment. So we have the area array communicating with the multi-ray, then communicates to the RAE link, and we'll plug that into the computer and it'll be a direct line into ProRAE Guardian. Our goal here is to be able to achieve placing the area array and a couple of the multi-rays inside of our incident downrange and be able to monitor the air around the hot zone. So with that, we're going to fire up ProRAE Guardian. So I already have all the instruments running, ready to read, and I found that it seems to be that's the best way where we have the least amount of bugs, to have everything up and running before we launch Guardian. The first screen is an administrative password that we're not using, so just hit remind me. Now that we have ProRAE Guardian, I kind of have this already brought up to station 3, and we're going to plug in our RAE link, and our instruments should automatically connect to the RAE link without any special stuff. So now once we're connected, this is going to show here in this bottom pane. It reads that it connected with location engine. And then we're going to go up to this box up here that says data, that reads data sources. The RAE Link 3 is connected into COM port 2. We're not going to get into the baud rates and all those things. Those are preset things that we have already done on the instrument, so that's not something you should have to mess with. So you just go ahead and hit start. A login is going to pop up. The password is RAE Systems, all in lowercase and in one word. And that will begin our program. We had an alarm that popped up because our area array is due for calibration, so that's just letting us know that things aren't up and running to par. Same thing if we had something happen and we had the man down sensors going on the multi-ray and had guys down range and something happened, that would also show an alarm. Or if we had a pump failure, or if we get into any of our preset alarms in the instruments, those will then alarm on to Guardian and alert command or whoever's monitoring the system that there's an issue. So you can close this screen out and you can see where it placed, and it's actually where I last placed it, but it will drop the area array into some geographical location that's close to the latitude and longitude that is in the area array. If it were to place it anywhere else, what we would end up going and doing, you can go down to the bottom pane down here, highlight the area array, and then you can click wherever you want that area array to be. So we'll place it out here. Same with the multi-ray. Highlight the bottom pane, and then just hover to wherever you want to go with it, click and place. So right now the multi-ray is highlighted and it's reading. It shows the real-time readout of the LEL, the O2, hydrogen sulfide, CO, and VOC. If we go back to the area array, same thing. It has the 5 gases, but then it's also giving our weather pack readings. So we have our weather pack that we can set up at the truck, so we know at the command post what weather's looking like. But then down range, we can kind of do better plume modeling because we can see wind direction and speed, humidity, and temperature where it really matters, and we can do better plume modeling with that. So that's just kind of a quick down and dirty of what we're trying to achieve with the new purchase of the equipment, to give us the capability of monitoring downrange that we didn't have before without having to send people into the hot zone and then give us readings back. So this is just another tool that we're going to use, and then hopefully we'll add to it. Guardian has the ability to hook up upwards of 500 different instruments that it can monitor at one time. So that's pretty much just quick gist of Guardian.